Chen Wen Hsi brought up that he used to raise ducks and chickens in his own village and spoke of his love for birds. Therefore, the sources that inspired these recurring subject matters in his work could be traced to as far back as his childhood hometown experiences. Preserving such down-to-earth innocence throughout his life, Chen Wen Hsi's motivation to paint and explore the tensions and emotions of brush and ink was derived from the simplicity of life and Mother Nature as a wellspring. His inherent appreciation for natural life of all kinds inspired him to render his most familiar companions in Chinese ink painting, and he captured the lively forms and movements of these animals with much affection, uncovering a sense of belonging in the process. For works that proved dissatisfactory, Chen Wen Hsi had no qualms about setting them alight and reducing them to ashes. Chen Wen Hsi repeatedly emphasized the importance of constant brush practice and study of compositions, colors, and techniques, among other things. To improve and achieve excellence in painting, an artist must necessarily endure long and arduous trainings.